Boom! What's up everybody? My name is Kim Skogwell and today I'll be choosing a winner for my Luminosity mask giveaway, and I will show you at the end here how you can import it and use the mask itself. It will be the same operation, the same way you do this, whether it's importing styles, macros, whatever it is, it will be pretty much the same thing. So I got a whole bunch of entries to win the Luminosity mask, but as far as I can figure out by looking, checking your subscriber name to the name you sent to me in an email, it doesn't match up. So I can't unfortunately choose any one of you guys, but I had a few that did it right, that are subscribed to my channel and sent their username. So I'll pick one, and the winner is Ken N. So look out for your Luminosity mask in your email. It should be there when you watch this. If not, hit me up an email again and I'll send you it once more. If we manage to reach 200 subscribers by this time next month, I will give away a 2-channel Luminosity mask as well. That means 2 channels on highlights, midtones, and shadows. And maybe I'll give out the 15-channel one to a few more lucky people, if that's something y'all want. But that's only if we reach 200 subscribers by July 24th. Well, without any further ado, congratulations Ken, and check out this tutorial how you import it and start using your new Luminosity mask preset or macro. Cool, so the first thing you need to do to import macros to Affinity is you gotta save them somewhere, put them somewhere. So I got mine under this assets tabs here. You can go macros, and here is that 5-channel mask for the giveaway. So you open up Affinity Photo. You can just hit new document and then get this. Make sure you have library visible. If you don't, go up here to view, studio, and find library. Make sure you have that library ticked. So what you do now is you go up here, you have library marked, you go on these 4 horizontal lines, click it once, import macros, and then you navigate to where you have your macros stored, saved. So I'm gonna take this one, and then, because that's the giveaway, and then just hit open, and you don't see them immediately if you have more macros, so you just scroll to the bottom, and I like to keep these on top, so I just click it and then drag it up towards the top. And now you can see we have it here. So I'm just gonna doodle some lines here, make some shadows of different colors. And there we go. I'm gonna take one more here, change the color, and then we're gonna take one more. We're gonna change the color to more. There we go. Now we have shadows, midtones, and highlights. So the way you do this is you have your layers here. I'm gonna just get this down to 1, so you can have Control, Alt, Shift, and E. That creates a merge pixel layer. That way I can delete these. So now we have these here. You go to library, and all you have to do is click once, and it takes a couple of seconds here. And you can see here now we got all these, but our images here disappeared. So to correct that, you just make a copy of this first one, and then you go back to library, hit it once more, and now you can see you have all the masks. You have these 2 copies. For some reason, Affinity likes to take away that first one the first time you do this. So if we now I delete this, I go here, I just hit these trash cans. We can go back here with just this one, you don't have to duplicate it, and you can click here and you get all your masks. And now you can see we have our highlights, we have our midtones, and then we have our shadows. So that's it. I'll hope you get happy with these. They are really simple, really fast to help speed up your editing workflow. I'll see you all next time.